Hello, welcome to Saffron's Beauty Unboxings. Today I received my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for July 2022. It's about $30 per month. I think it's about $32 per month now. You get 5 full-size products each month. You can choose add-ons as well, which is a little extra money, but you get to choose 3 out of the 5 products that you receive. So it's a pretty good deal. Next month, I'm probably not going to be able to do one. I'm having some financial issues. So I'm going to have to maybe cancel for a little bit. I don't know if it's going to be a month or so. But this is going to be my last one for a while, probably. Just dealing with some financial stuff right now. So here's the package. I just got it today. Today is the 16th. So excited. Kind of sad I had to cancel, but just have financial stuff going on right now, so what it is. But here's the bag. Let me dim the lights a little bit so you'll see it a little bit better. Still right. Here's the bag. See, it has like white lines, yellow and white lines on it. It's kind of like a pineapple. It's got little strings. It's okay looking. My favorite bag for this year, I think, is the May one with like the purple floral. I think it was May. Like purple flowers and stuff. I think that's my favorite bag I've ever seen of this kind of bag. So, let's see what we've got in the bag. Hang on a second. I need to go get my laptop right quick. I got my website, or I got my laptop on. I use it for reference to, kind of tell you more about the products. Okay. First product is a hydrating cream by Renewal. That's how you say it. Dim the light so you can see it better. There you go. Can't really see it like the labeling. But it's a hydrating cream. I think it's like a body lotion kind of deal. Let's see. It's valued at, I think it says $18. It's a hand cream. It's supposed to be lightweight, non-greasy, fast-absorbing coconut, eucalyptus scented hand creamy. Just, it's just kind of a basic hand cream. It's kind of a big thing for it, but, and I believe they chose, did they choose this for me? Let's see here. I think I may have no, they chose it for me, I believe. Yeah, I can always use it. My hands always get dry. So that's that. It's hand cream. See what the next product is. It's Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Retinol Overnight Serum. And Ipsy chose this for me. And I guess it's just like a serum, little pump thing. Let's see. It's valued at $72. It's full size serum. It's never too early to treat your skin right. This ultra light gel serum helps reduce the appearance of fine lines with the formula full of well-known brighteners like vitamin C and 2.5% bioretinol. Morning or night, apply generously to cleanse skin and neck and chest. No, it's a natural formula that provides perfect slip needed for makeup primer. So I guess you can use it as a makeup primer as well. And you can use it, well, it says night, but you can use it, I guess, morning and night, I guess. I don't know, I think retinol cause it can cause skin irritation or something. I don't know, but I'm gonna use it either. I'll probably just use it at night. But that's that. There's a little pamphlet thing. This gives you tips. I wish it at least showed the products. I feel like this is a, I think it's waste paper. But little pink thing. Here's a Item Beauty Boost Juice Double Ended Lash Primer. This is like a primer. It's $16. It's 3-in-1 conditioning primer and colored mascara to help visually volumize, lengthen, and nourish lashes. As a primer, there's a lilac side for volume, blue side for length. As mascara, you can, well, I'm not going to open it up, but it's like this pink is like lilac and this one's like blue. You can use it either as a primer for your lashes or for just because it's a purple and blue. You can use like the purple and blue as like just by itself. Sometimes I used to like wearing different, mascaras, just to, but I think this would be a good idea too, like if you're wearing eyeshadow or something, and you put like mascara on, the primer would kind of, like if you had purple eyeshadow, it would kind of blend in with the eyeshadow. You know what I mean? If that makes any sense. Like even when you put black on top of it, it kind of, I don't know, kind of blend in with your eyeshadow. But I think it'd be interesting to try. Give it a shot. Okay. Next item is the Baros New York Fig Renewal Oil. It's like a face oil, I believe. I chose this as well. This is a face oil. It's valued $72. Most of your skincare products, the higher end ones, are very expensive. And it says, one look at the list of the luxe ingredients in this transforming oil had us hooked. The silky, lightweight formula is packed with antioxidants in the form of a wild, fresh fig, jojoba oil, a floral-loaded concentrate, omega-rich superfoods like strawberry, carrot, beet, and eggplants, and sunflower seed oil to help aid in skin renewal and fight signs of aging. And it's a pretty nice bottle. It's very luxurious. And you warm it up, you put it on your hands, warm it up, and then press it into the skin. I like the bottle for it. I'll have to try it. I love skincare stuff. Alrighty, what's the next product? I believe this is just a powder. Yeah, it's just a loose powder. I kind of need some loose powder. Powder seems to last a long time for me. So, see, this is the only time this whole week I've really worn any makeup. So it's just a powder. Let's see what the info about it. It's V Cosmetic Loose Powder and N2 Cool Neutral. Valued $22. It's a loose powder. The finishing touch you've always been waiting for. The silky powder erases shine and excess oil without setting to full fine lines and caking. Use a powder brush to tap into your cheeks and T-zone or whatever you want to minimize shine. So just a face powder. Nothing. Yeah, I like it, but like face powder is not one of like whoa kind of makeup products. This is more like a whoa kind of makeup product. So sorry about that. But like, I'll try it out, see how it works. This is a cool neutral color. It's like it matches my skin. See how it works. Well, that's pretty much it for my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for July 2022. Hope you enjoyed watching this. Thank you, and please subscribe and like the pages, and please join my Facebook group in the description below. I'm sorry, this is probably gonna be my last Ipsy Glam Bag Plus video for a while. I'm dealing with some financial stuff right now, so I'm gonna have to cancel for a while. I don't know how long, but for now. Hopefully I will get back on track soon, but I'm gonna have to just prioritize my financial stuff right now. I'm sorry, but I love making these videos. Maybe I'll make more makeup videos. Have more free time right now, so I think I'll make some more videos. Maybe make some makeup videos or something like that. We'll see. But thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a great day. Goodbye.